Have you ever wondered how channels are creating Roblox Story shorts like these that get hundreds of thousands or even millions of views? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create them from start to finish using AI tools. And the entire process takes less than 5 minutes once you understand the workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to generate the story, create all the scenes automatically, add voiceovers, sound effects, background music, and export a professional-looking short that's ready to upload to YouTube. Before we start creating the video, let's first see why this niche is so powerful. Simply go to YouTube and type Roblox Story into the search bar. Then click on the Shorts tab. You'll immediately notice that there are countless channels getting millions of views with very simple Roblox stories. For example, let's take a look at this channel. It has grown to more than 1.8 million subscribers, and if you open the popular section, you'll see that many of its shorts have reached millions, even tens of millions of views. The best part is that these videos follow a very simple format, which means you don't need advanced editing skills or expensive software to create similar content. Now let me show you exactly how to make these videos. The first thing you'll need is the prompt that I've prepared for you. You'll find it completely free in the description below this video. Once you've downloaded the prompt, open ChatGPT or any AI tool you prefer to use. The prompt is divided into 2 parts. Start by copying the first part of the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. This section is designed to generate viral Roblox story ideas. After a few seconds, the AI will provide you with multiple story ideas. Take your time and choose the one that you think fits your audience the best. You can even ask ChatGPT to generate more ideas if you want additional options before making your final decision. Once you've chosen your favorite story idea, copy it. Now, open the second part of the prompt. You'll notice a section where you simply replace the example story with your own idea. Paste your chosen story there, then copy the entire second prompt and send it back to ChatGPT. Give it a few moments to generate the result. As you can see, ChatGPT creates a complete Roblox story divided into multiple scenes. Each scene contains everything we need to transform it into an AI-generated video. Now comes the fun part. We're going to use Google AI Flow to turn every scene into a high-quality animated video. One of the best things about Google AI Flow is that it can generate realistic animations while also adding character voices, sound effects, and cinematic background music automatically. Let's open Google AI Flow and create a new project. Once you're inside, select the 9:16 aspect ratio since we're creating a YouTube short. Now simply copy the first scene from ChatGPT and paste it into Google AI Flow. Before generating, make sure to select the option Approve and Don't Ask Again, so the workflow becomes much faster without asking for confirmation every single time. Now click Generate. After waiting a few moments, your first scene will be ready. As you can see, the quality looks amazing and everything from the animation to the voice and sound effects is already included. Download the generated scene. Now, repeat exactly the same process for every remaining scene. Just copy the next scene, paste it into Google AI Flow, generate it, and download it. Continue until you've generated every scene of your story. Once all of your scenes are downloaded, it's time to assemble everything into one final video. Open CapCut and create a new project. Select all of the downloaded video clips at once. To make sure the scenes appear in the correct order, sort them by creation time before importing them into the project. After importing everything, you'll see that all of the scenes are already arranged correctly. If needed, confirm that your project is using the 9:16 aspect ratio. Make any small adjustments you want, and then simply export the video using your preferred quality settings. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a complete Roblox story short using AI, from the story idea to the script, to the animated scenes, voiceovers, sound effects, background music, and final editing. Now let's watch the final result together, and that's all for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you learn something new and showed you just how easy it is to create viral Roblox story shorts using AI. If there's another niche you'd like me to make a complete tutorial about, let me know in the comments below. I read as many comments as I can, and your suggestions help me decide what videos to create next. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI content creation tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.
Hey, little one. Where is your family? We couldn't find anyone. Until they do, I'll take care of you.
Hungry. He's too poor.
I'll find a way.
Wave!
We'll never give up. Maybe next time.
That baby is incredible!
Really?
Kindness changes lives.
Thank you.
Best dad ever!
We'll always stick together.